Take a bite. I already know your choice. Do you want some? I'll share it.
Що тут таті стиснат? Отхъпи си малко и бягай да играеш. Отхъпи се, Соро.
That went over well. Thought there was going to be more of a struggle.
Did you get me an ice cream?
Absolutely not.
Why?
Because you've been very bad this week.
How?
I'm not treating you as well.
No, right. Yeah, there you go. Give me the ice cream. It's on camera, okay? Everybody will see how you don't give me the ice cream.
I don't care.
Give me some.
You can have some, but I'll hold the cone.
No, I want to hold my cone.
You won't. Because unlike me, you will not give it back.
It's full of bad energy if you're holding it.
This is something we can do together.
Okay, no, give me the cone.
As a couple.
No. As a couple, I'm telling you to give me the cone right now. Give me some cone. Jesus. Let go, I'm gonna crush it. Let go. Let go. Let go of the cone. It's very easy.
You should see her.
Concentrate.
She's like a crazy woman.
Concentrate. Let go. I don't want to eat from your hand. I know where it's been.
There.
Just let go. Is it that difficult? There you go. That was stupid of you.
Дай парички, мамо. Къде са парички?
Good job.
That was funny.